Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering everything off and unplugging both components to avoid damage. Next, collect RCA cables for line-level connections, speaker wire for passive speakers, and a 3.5mm adapter if using a phone or laptop. Check speaker impedance and amplifier ratings so you match ohms and prevent overheating. Once done, position gear with short cable runs and easily accessible terminals. Make sure ventilation is clear, and note input labels on the amplifier so you can wire the correct source later. You now attach the audio source to the amplifier. Plug RCA cables into the source outputs, white to left, red to right, and into the amps matching line-level input labeled AUX or line-in. If using a phone or computer, connect a 3.5mm to dual RCA cable and set the source volume to about 50%. Once connected, tidy cables and separate signal lines from power cords to reduce hum. If the amp has a ground lift or switch, set it according to your manual to prevent noise. You finish by wiring the speakers to the amplifier's speaker terminals, matching positive to positive and negative to negative. Secure bare wire or banana plugs. Power on the amplifier and source, keeping volume low, then play a familiar track and slowly increase volume while listening for distortion. Once levels are set, fine-tune tone controls and balance. If you encounter hum, dropout, or no sound, first turn everything off, reseat cables, verify ground connection, and check speaker impedance versus amp rating before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.